The most interesting thing I just saw was the illusion of a live dolphin and the ability to interact with it.
When I first saw the dolphin, I thought it could be real. And certainly if I was a little kid, I definitely could have thought it was real.
I think, it's kind of surprising there are like 3,000 dolphins currently in captivity being used to generate several billions of dollars just for dolphin experiences. And so there's obviously an appetite to love and learn about dolphins. And so we want to use that appetite and offer kind of different ways to fall in love with a dolphin. Normal day consists of swimming 100 miles in the ocean, and now you're swimming 75 feet, and that's your entire existence. It's just so unnatural an environment, and you can dress it up, you can make it look blue and ocean-like, but it's a fact of being a social, roaming animal, and then constrained within basically a bathtub. And so I think it's psychological, physiological, impact.